speaker is a victim from Flushing, New York. Mr. Baichao Khan from New York, who was attacked in Flushing. Let's bring him on and hear his story. It's going to be in Chinese due to timing.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very grateful to be invited to attend this event. Today, so many people come, and we are not alone. I feel very honored to be one of you. So many times, I have made a speech to appeal to the international community to show their concern for human rights, persecution of my brother and sister in China. But today, I stand here to speak for myself, to ask for the attention of America on the recent violent attack on me. This is beyond my expectation. I always hope such kind of thing never happen in this free and great land of America, because it is not the attack on me, but the attack on all America. Unfortunately, it is still happening. This is such a sad thing. Through this incident, you can see how important is that we stand here today and call for freedom and justice. Look at my hand. You may also know what happened. Yes, I was attacked and badly injured. This is a masterpiece created by Chinese Communist Party under the mafia and the control of CCP. 1 week ago, I was attacked by several men. They attacked me from different directions. They were very professional in their actions. They struck my face into my ear and my nose. I was bleeding profusely. My hand was fractured and now in cast. They also tried to smash a bottle in my direction. Fortunately, the police came very fast and I was survived. Thanks God, I was not more seriously injured. I believe God protected me. Otherwise, I would not be able to come here to tell you in person. According to information given later, it is undeniable the violence done by the Chinese mafia and planned by the CCP. As the case is under the initial stage of the investigation, it is not convenient to reveal more details. They are angry at me. You know what? Because I'm the strongest support of Falun Gong. I'm close to Falun Gong. The witness told me, the witness is one of the Falun Gong. She told me, they say, when she heard about the story, they talk about me. They talk about it, they use how much money to buy the mafia to beat me. More than 10,000, maybe 100,000. She's not here very clear. Her name is Junison. She's not here. She will be here tomorrow. They talk about me, the murder, the criminal, the CCP leader, the media leader, the pro-CCP media leader. They talk about me. They say唐柏桥is stupid because he's close to Falun Gong. Today, I'm going to fight back. I tell you, You are stupid. I'm much smarter than you. Because I'm close to Falun Gong, you are close to evil CCP. Just based on the facts and the table mentioned, it is enough to confirm that it is obviously special agent of CCP who has plotted this violent attack. This violent attack deserved everybody's deep thinking. We all should rethinking what happened. First of all, we always cannot fully realize the evil of CCP. Second, American government always cannot fully understand the importance of CCP's violent action in the American mainland. Third, we should, in this world, should know CCP is going to be ended soon. The attack on me is not the first attack on the people of justice, and also it's not the last one. And this evil action may become more and more frequent if we do not have a deeper understanding of this situation. It will become out of control. I'm a survivor of Tiananmen massacre of 1989. I'm a political refugee in the U.S. I'm a freedom and democracy fighter. I'm a family member of a U.S. government attorney. Even me, I was attacked. So who can guarantee that he will not be the next target? I can say nobody here will be safe. Finally, I want to tell you, I hope I'm the last one who is attacked by CCP in the American homeland on the basis of the express political review. But if we still not take it very serious, the next attack target will be you and me. If every of us can bravely stand out and speak out to concern that brutal action, we may be able being the target of the next one. If so, the cost of my blood will not be even. In the end, I want to take this opportunity to appeal to all the people of justice and concern in the world to unite together, regardless of the national and race, and fight against the evil CCP and sweep the CCP into the dustbin of history. Thank you very much.